Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be touring around National Museum, Benin City. As you can see, I'm on the road already. Just in case you're in Benin City and you're thinking of a place to explore, a place to visit, and a place to just feed your eyes, you should consider sitting back to watch this video to know if you will consider National Museum as a place to visit in Benin City. Just in case it's your first time here, my name is Chika Brown and I'm glad to have you. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. So let's get to it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's not the one. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Hey guys, I can bet you love history and artifacts for you to have watched till this point. You're such a beautiful soul. So before the end of this video, I would love to share my personal experience in the museum, my disappointment, the current state of the museum, and their do's and don'ts and all of that. Yes, so the museum houses quite a number of artifacts from around the Benin Empire, such as the terracotta, bronze, and cast iron pieces. So the first thing you have to bear in mind is that cameras are not allowed in the museum. Immediately we got there, I've already handed over the camera to my guy. Like I wanted to show in the video, I was like, see, I'm going to be in this video, like you do the covering for me. So he was ready to film, and immediately I got to the entrance, like at the entrance of the gallery. There are some staff there, so they were like, cameras are not allowed. Damn, like I was disappointed, but for some good reasons. Yeah, I understand with them, because they said something like people trying to snap and recreate what they have there. We all know that's their pride, that's their heritage. In fact, me as a stranger, after visiting them, man, I was so excited, and I see reasons with them. So that's one thing you should bear in mind. You won't be allowed to film inside the gallery. You can snap as much as you want on the outside, you can film, you can do whatever you want to do, but on the inside, cameras are not allowed. Yeah, but however, the clips you just watched are real pictures of some of the things I saw in there. I got it from someone. I don't know how they managed to get it, but I want to believe it was prior to the time they banned people from entering there with cameras. Yeah, so their entrance fee, just bear in mind, if you're going there, you'll be paying 500 naira. And guys, after entering there, for me, it's worth more than that. Like, I don't regret paying 500 naira. If you check online, you're likely to see 300 naira, but we paid 500 naira to enter. And what else? Okay, the beautiful waterfall you always see in the picture is no longer there. and that's the only thing I did not see. Like every other thing is still intact, everything is still well maintained, and they have good staffs, polite ones that they told us brief stories about almost everything that we saw there. I can't remember all, but I can tell that it houses 3 galleries. The ground floor houses the Oba Akinzo's gallery and things surrounding him. We also saw the beautiful bronze casting of Queen Idia. Sorry if I did not pronounce it right. I'm an Igbo girl, so Queen Idia is Oba Akinzo's wife. So from all indications, the summary of the whole stories we heard yesterday is that Benin City probably wouldn't have been in existence without Queen Idia. Okay, the second floor houses artifacts from within Benin City and outside, like neighboring community like Delta State. Just in case you're not aware, Delta State and Benin City were together as one before they were separated into Delta and Benin City. They were together as Bende. Bende, yeah. Okay, so the other one houses artifacts from outside the country and all of that. So I also saw they show us a particular shotgun that was used during the something of the war or something of that nature. I can't remember, but it was used during a particular war. We saw the gun, like life and direct, a gun that was used in the war. We also saw some wooden ancestral heads that was cast by their chiefs to decorate their shrines. We saw some heads of some animals, some other heads, I can't remember the names. I also saw one cake like that, say it's cake powder, bronze cake powder that was used during the war too. We also saw some wooden, all these wooden artifacts of their gods and their goddesses. I saw a bronze stool that I was told that the stool was sent to Portugal by a ruling Oba in Benin City. Yes, I also saw some head of some animals. In fact, we saw a lot of things. I can't remember everything, honestly. It's a place that is worth visiting if you are planning to visit Benin City, or you are here already and you've not visited that place. Guy, you are missing. You are missing. So it's a place it's worth visiting. If you love the history, if you love artifacts, if you love reconnecting with nature and history, man, you're not going to regret going there. So guys, if you're here to give this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please give this video a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and subscribe if you're here to do so. And I'd love to see you in my next video. Bye. See you in my next video.